Welcome back to Freshco Graphics. Whether you're a returning viewer or joining us for the first time, we're thrilled to have you. Subscribe now for captivating insights into home and interior design. Dreaming in Dusty Rose, a shabby chic haven with floral wallpaper. Step into a world where time stands still and romance blooms on every wall. The shabby chic aesthetic is a celebration of comfort, softness, and the beautiful patina of age, creating a home that feels both elegantly worn and effortlessly inviting. At the heart of this design story lies the delicate charm of floral wallpaper, specifically in a palette of rose pink and crisp white. This combination infuses each room with a sense of gentle femininity and timeless grace. It's a style that whispers rather than shouts, favoring curated imperfections over stark perfection. Prepare to be enveloped in a space that feels like a cherished memory, a soft sigh of contentment made into a home. The exterior of this shabby chic home sets the tone with its smooth, white stucco facade that glows softly in the sunlight. This pristine canvas is beautifully accentuated by powder blue doors and window frames, a classic combination that feels both fresh and nostalgic. A climbing rose bush bursting with soft pink blooms artfully scrambles up a trellis beside the front door, hinting at the floral themes within. Weathered terracotta pots filled with white lavender and baby's breath line the cobblestone path to the entrance. An aged wrought iron bench sits nestled under a window, offering a quiet spot to enjoy the garden. This carefully curated entrance promises a serene and romantic retreat from the moment you arrive. Upon stepping inside, you are immediately greeted by a feature wall adorned in a sprawling rose pink and white floral wallpaper. The pattern is soft and muted, avoiding boldness in favor of a dreamy, atmospheric quality. A distressed white console table with gracefully curved legs holds a simple ceramic jug filled with fresh garden roses. Above it, an ornate gilded mirror with an aged fox glass reflection amplifies the light and adds a touch of vintage grandeur. A delicate crystal drop chandelier hangs from the ceiling, casting a soft, sparkling light across the space in the evening. A faded rose-colored runner on the floor completes this welcoming vignette, ensuring the home's gentle character is felt from the very first step. The living room envelopes you in comfort, where the main floral wallpaper continues its story, creating a cozy and enveloping atmosphere. Plush, overstuffed sofas and white linen slipcovers are adorned with an abundance of throw pillows in various shades of pink and textured, creamy white fabrics. A centrally placed coffee table, crafted from a repurposed antique wooden trunk, adds character and a sense of history to the room's center. Soft, flowing curtains in a sheer white fabric filter the sunlight, ensuring the room is always bathed in a gentle, ethereal glow. Well-loved books and porcelain trinkets are displayed on open white painted shelves, contributing to the collected, personal feel. The overall effect is one of serene relaxation, a perfect space for quiet afternoons and intimate conversations. The bedroom is the ultimate sanctuary, designed as a soft, cloud-like escape dedicated to rest and romance. Here, the rose and white floral wallpaper often covers all four walls, making the room feel like a secret garden bower. A majestic, upholstered bedhead in a faded rose velvet or white quilted fabric serves as the stunning focal point of the space. Layers of bedding in white cotton, delicate lace, and a chunky hand-knitted pink throw create an irresistibly inviting and tactile sleeping experience. A vintage crystal drip chandelier provides ambient lighting, while a small distressed white dressing table holds a tarnished silver hand mirror and brush set. This room is a true expression of Shabby Chic's core principles. It is soft, personal, and profoundly peaceful. The dining room evokes the feeling of a charming secret garden cafe, perfect for hosting intimate dinners and leisurely brunches. A feature wall in a delicate, trailing vine floral pattern in rose and white provides a beautiful backdrop for family meals. The centerpiece is a rustic farmhouse-style table in chipped white paint, surrounded by mismatched chairs, some also in white and others in a subtle powder blue. Overhead, a small but dramatic chandelier with candle-style bulbs casts a warm, intimate light over the table setting. The table is dressed with a simple white linen runner, vintage china with pink rose details, and delicate crystal glasses. A large, weathered hutch displays more cherished dishware, turning everyday items into part of the decor and enhancing the room's collected charm. The kitchen maintains the soft aesthetic with cabinetry painted in a warm, off-white or creamy shade, often with a gently distressed finish to show a hint of wear. Open shelving some upper cabinets, displaying white ceramic canisters and rose pattern plates that continue the floral theme. A classic subway tile backsplash in white provides a clean, timeless background that lets other elements shine. For a touch of pattern, a small section of wall or a pantry door might be adorned with a subtle, rose-sprigged wallpaper. Countertops are kept clear, showcasing perhaps a vintage-style stand mixer in a soft pastel hue and a wooden bowl filled with fresh fruit. This approach creates a kitchen that feels less like a utilitarian space and more like a warm, welcoming heart of the home. Transforming the bathroom into a shabby chic oasis involves embracing a palette of white, rose pink, and touches of aged brass or nickel. A feature wall behind the bathtub is clad in a moisture-resistant floral wallpaper, perhaps with a pattern of delicate rosebuds, creating a spa-like focal point. A freestanding clawfoot tub painted in a pristine white serves as the room's centerpiece, inviting long, luxurious soaks. Plush white towels are stacked on a weathered wooden ladder or stored in a distressed white cabinet for a touch of rustic charm. A framed ornate mirror hangs above the vanity, reflecting the soft light from a pair of crystal sconces. Finishing touches like a simple glass jar of cotton balls and a small vase of fresh flowers ensure this functional space is equally beautiful and serene.